Hey, what's up, everyone? Here it's Scott coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf with another done for you. Yes, done for you. This team makes the phone calls to you. There's no talking to leads. There's no talking to anybody. It's all done for you. And I'm going to go through this back office here. But first, smash subscribe, hit the bell. I'm going to take you through the tour of what you're going to have to do to get started with this. And it's not difficult at all. I don't care if you can't use a computer. If you can use a cell phone, if you can use a regular phone, and you can send an email, you can do this. So what is this called? This is called the Online Consistent Money System. And as you see behind here, I have a 50K award. I'm approaching 100K. So we know it works. Plus we'll show you some more testimonials in this video, and I'm going to show you how I'll start your business at the end of this video, so be sure to stay to the end. So at first, I want you to ask yourself, do you want to start making $800, $2,400, and $4,000 per sale that we make for you? Yes. Remember what I said before? We make the phone calls for you, we talk to your leads, we do all that. Yes. So answer that question in your head right now while you're still watching this. This link is going to be in the first comment, and it's going to be pinned, and it's also going to be in the description. So be sure to read the description, because the phone number to call will be in the description as well. So when you go down below, you're going to put your email address in here. This is going to get you on my email list. This way you don't miss any bonuses I give, anything going on. Plus I want to get you into my universities, so I want to connect with you so I can help you while we're running your six-figure online business, okay? Okay, so we're going to show you exactly how you can explode to a six-figure online income within the next 30 to 45 days, okay? So you're going to want to watch this. This is 14 minutes and 16 seconds long. This explains the whole system and all you need to know. That's how simple it is. And you're going to come down to here. You're going to click on to view the OCM products, bonuses, and how to get started. This is going to show you the bonuses, and I'm going to take you through two of them. And then I'm going to show you my bonus. This is also going to take you through the testimonials of other people. For the speed of this video, I want to get to the point here. I'm not going to go through every little bit of this. You can on your own time, but I'm going through the highlights and what you need to know to get started ASAP and have me send qualified leads and traffic, the same that I use for my business, to you. So what I do want you to do, though, is watch this video. This explains the product. I'm going to explain the product towards the end when I show you the bonuses, okay? And what do I mean by the team makes the phone call for you? So there you go, right here. So what you're going to do after you're done reviewing, you're going to call that number, you're going to leave a message, and you're going to say, Scott Darvid sent you, okay? And they're going to call you back, and they're going to answer any questions you have, and they're going to onboard you. They're going to set up your email. They're going to set up your pages. Once that's done, we're going to connect, and I'm going to start your business. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to start your business momentarily. But let's first, Carol, an OCM member, she loves OCM. I know Carol. She loves OCM. So bonus number one. You do not need to speak to anyone. We do all the selling and telling for you. Bonus number two, we make the sales for you. You keep 100% of the commission, just as if you were sold them yourself. So just think of it this way. You have a store and you sell candy, you sell a stationery store, you sell something, someone's going to hand you money. You had to put that information there. You had to do the transaction. Not with this. The team is doing it for you, okay? The team is doing it for you. Just like Dan F. from Florida, 12,800 in just 4 days. Come on, folks. This is when you work it and you stay consistent with it, which we teach. That's when you see the results. That's why we say 30 to 90 days of consistency. We do 100% of the work. You keep the commission. That's 100% true. All right. Look at this. Michael from Alabama. Look at him. Michael, through 4,200 in 3 weeks. Ask yourself this question. Will that help you in your firing your boss or going on vacation or whatever? Inflation's up. Would that help get the things that you want with because I know people with jobs, their income's like this. There's no up and down with that. So, and let's keep coming down here. The payments are $800, $2,400, and $4,000 to your door, to your Cash App, to your PayPal, to your Zelle, however you want to get paid. Then we got Kevin C here, $6,400 in just 1 week. It's just absolutely amazing. Okay, absolutely amazing. Okay, So now, as they say, the ball's in your court. So you're going to want to review with the link below. Go to the first pinned comment or in the description. You can scroll down to here. You can get detailed instructions, step by step, 1, 2, 3, 4, how to get started. And we also qualify, if you qualify for zero out-of-pocket financing, where you can start your business zero out of pocket and be in profit and pay that off without spending any money out of your pocket. Can I guarantee you're going to make that in 30 days? No, but it's a way to get started. This is a long-term game. You're in it for the long term. I've been here since 2016. So now what we all been waiting for is Scott's bonuses. So I'm going to take you back into the online consistent money back office. I'm going to explain the product a little bit here. So I'm going to start with the lower product and go all the way to the top. Gold is $1,000, and what we're an advertising company, okay? So what we do is we affiliate company. We advertise. You can use this traffic for any business. I use this traffic for this business to make more sales, because without people, guess what? You don't have sales. It's true. So you get a 10% discount at the gold, which is $1,000 pays $800, okay? And now this is where my bonuses come into. Platinum, you're saving 20%, okay? And when you start with the platinum with me, I'm going to send 300 click order to your link, okay? Your link that looks like this. So when they go here, they go to your email address, they go to your name, they go to your number, and it's as easy as that. And this is the $3,000 product package. And when we come back up over here to the diamond, right here, diamond traffic order form right here, gonna click here. This is where I'm at. We're getting 40% off traffic for life. And when you start at the diamond, it's 5,000. Guess what, folks? You're gonna get 1,000 clicks from me, okay? You're gonna get a 1,000 click order to your capture page here. That's it, folks. That's how easy it is. So be sure to smash the subscribe, hit the bell, get in the link below, call the team, get your questions answered, get you into my universities, because I do teach people about email. I do teach people about marketing. Remember, this is all happening while, guess what? You're doing other things. So if you want to tap into my universities, you can, and learn while we're running your business. We're running your business here. That's basically what we're doing. We are running your business, and that's why so many people like Michael, and I can go on, like Frank, like Dan from Florida, Carol, are having so much more success, and that's just some of them. So I look forward to connecting with you all, folks. The link's below. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.